Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout on Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So if you want to change the screen timeout or the auto lock of the screen or the turn of the screen here, first you just have to go to your search bar here and search for control panel. Search for control panel and the best result will be the control panel app here. So just click to open that up. After opening control panel, you need to go to the power option here. As you can see with the battery icon, click on power options. Then in the left corner here, you will see option called change when the computer sleeps here. So just click on it. And here, as you can see, this is the screen timeout or the turn of the display option here. So if you want to change the time here, you can choose the never option here, or also you can choose 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours here. So I have chosen the 30 minutes here, and this is the option for plugged in here. When you are charging the laptop here, you can choose to 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever minutes that you want to use. So we can change the time here and also put the computer to sleep. So this is the sleeping timeout change here. So you can also change the time to put the never here. Also you can choose the desired time that you want here. Then what you have to do is just after changing the time here, you just have to click save changes here. And it will save the changes that you've made in the screen timer settings here. So that's it guys. This is how you change the screen timeout in Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.